Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock the secrets to making a fortune online in 2024? Then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the treasure trove that is Clickbank and start filling your pockets from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. Have you ever heard of Clickbank? It's not just any platform, it's a goldmine for anyone eager to make money online through affiliate marketing. But here's the kicker. Many people dive in without a clue, hit snags and give up. Not you though. Not today. So what makes Clickbank the go-to platform in 2024? Simple. It offers a vast marketplace filled with products that you can promote for a commission. But there's a catch. The challenge is knowing how to pick the right products and market them effectively. And that's exactly what I'll help you master. First off, your success on Clickbank starts with choosing products that are not only profitable but also align with your audience's interests. Sounds tricky, right? Don't worry. Clickbank provides all the tools and data you need to make informed choices. Now let's talk strategy. Successful affiliates on Clickbank don't just randomly pick products. They use a mix of savvy marketing techniques, from SEO-optimized content to leveraging social media ads. And here's a secret. Using Clickbank's Spark program can catapult your success. It's like having a mentor who guides you through the wilderness of affiliate marketing with expert tips, tutorials, and case studies. But here's the ultimate tip, the real game changer: personalization. When you tailor your content and ads to speak directly to your audience's needs and desires, you dramatically increase your chances of making sales. To wrap up, remember, the potential to earn on Clickbank is immense, but it requires smart work and persistence. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, Clickbank has the resources to propel you to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips on making money online. Trust me, you don't want to miss what I have lined up for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2024.